Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Wednesday, July 28. The time is around 2 a.m. GMT, and today we're going to be looking at the chart of the Canadian dollar yen. This is a 60 minutes chart here. We can see the pair ended with 4 in the primary degree right here at 85.4, and then it has started to turn higher, and you can see the structure of the rally looks impulsive, 5 waves with a divergence at the peak, suggesting that this is likely to be a 5 waves. And now looking for an ABC correction to correct these 5 waves up. We got this 1 2 3 4 5 ending A, now doing 3 waves up B, and then possibly do one more push lower to finish this ABC to end the wave 2 before the rally continues higher again. So at this point, as long as we stay above 85.4, we can see more upside, and this is what we are calling. Now another option here, we might end with 2 here, right? I mean, simply you can label this as ABC ending W here, and this is your X, and this is another ABCY, and you finish WXY if that's the case. All right, so this is giving you an idea what the alternate is. I can label this like this: ABC, and this is a W, and then this is your X, and you have another ABC and finish right there. So instead of needing another leg lower, it could be completed and starts to rally higher again. So it could be doing something like this, finish a Y here, and then rally higher if that's the case. All right, so that's another possibility there, just to give you an option. But the idea and the bottom line is 85.4. That will be the sort of the idea. As long as we stay above here, we can potentially see more upside. Whether we do another push lower or not remains to be seen. And zooming out a little bit, giving you an idea where we are. So remember, this is a 4, and there is a Y here in the intermediate degree. So this is the same 4 and Y. So with this view here on the daily, we can kind of construct what we are looking at here. This has to be your W, and this has to be your X. There's nowhere else. And then that means this has to be your 3 right here, okay, on the daily time frame. And what we are seeing here is a clean 3 swing here coming down from the June 3rd, and it reaches the blue box area. So we show this blue box to our members, and if they bought it, then the reaction higher here allows them to kind of take partial profit, and then also managing the stop loss and so on right now, since partial profit already taken. Okay, so now what is the expectation here? Well, the expectation is, if this view is correct, we will be able to break to new high above the June peak. But what about the alternates? Well, at this point, unless you literally break above 3, you don't have the confirmation this is really the end of your correction. I mean, this could be doing a bigger, WXY like this. That's a bigger WXY, and so on. So only if it breaks above this peak, we will confirm this view. But at least if we take a look back in the 1-hour cycle, the rally does look like an impulse from the lows. So at minimum, I think we can expect some kind of an ABC. So instead of saying this is a wave 1, you could have said, okay, well, this is just an ABC, and then it fails to take out the high and sells off again before we finish. I think it's no longer wave 4. If it sells off again, then this entire cycle from March has ended, right? I mean, this is too big to be wave 4 if it drops again one more time. So here we go. Minimum expectation is one more push higher to finish some sort of an ABC from the lows, as long as we don't break below this 85.4 right here. Okay, so that's the update for today. As always, if you do want to check our service, we have 14 days free trial The link is provided in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day to everyone.